Did you know a simple balloon can replace your phone case, seal your snacks, or even help you play basketball? Sounds crazy, right? But trust me, you'll want to stick around because hack number 9 is an absolute game changer. Picture this, your transparent phone case has turned yellow again, and buying a new one? Way too expensive. Here's a fix. In just 5 seconds, grab a balloon, inflate it, press your phone down on top, let the air out, and boom! You've got a free, snug-fitting phone case that won't turn yellow. This trick also works for your TV and air conditioner remote or any small device, keeping them clean and dust-free. Tag a friend who's always breaking their phone case. They'll thank you later. Lost the lid to your favorite snack jar? Don't toss it just yet. Here's a genius hack. Grab a balloon, inflate it, place it over the jar's opening, and slowly release the air. Instant airtight seal. This simple trick keeps your snacks crunchy, fresh, and full of flavor without costing a thing. Would you try this? Drop a thumbs up in the comments and let us know. Ever knocked over your drink because your cup slipped on the table? So frustrating, right? Well, here's a game-changing hack to prevent spills forever. Grab a balloon, place it on the bottom of your cup, let the air out, and boom! Oops, that didn't work. Okay, let's try again. Instant grip, no more accidental spills. Ever had to clean up a mess like this? Smash that like button. Try this hack and let me know if it worked. Throwing a party on a budget? Don't waste money on a confetti cannon. Make one instead. Here's how. Cut a balloon in half, stretch it over one end of a hollow tube or plastic bottle, fill it with leftover confetti, shredded paper, or even flower petals. Pull back the balloon and boom! Instant party cannon. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, let's try again. Know someone who loves to party but hates spending money? Let us know in the comments. And hey, don't forget to share this with your budget-friendly party crew. Tired of tangled cables? But before you go buying expensive organizers, try this instead. Cut the neck off a balloon, wrap it around your earphones, chargers, or even pens. Boom! Instantly neat, organized, and easy to carry. That leftover balloon piece? Don't toss it. Use it as a hair tie. 2 uses, no waste. Is your desk a total mess? If so, drop a balloon in the comments, because mine definitely is. Let's get organized. Need to clean your sink but don't have a hose? We've got a hack for that. Cut a small hole at the base of a balloon, stretch it over your faucet and turn on the water. Boom! Instant 360-degree cleaning tool. Perfect for sinks, bathtubs, and even floors. No extra gadgets, no extra cost. Would you try this in your kitchen? Drop a thumbs up in the comments and let me know. No money for a basketball? No problem. Here's a zero-cost trick. Inflate a balloon, wrap it tightly with clear tape, boom! DIY basketball, ready for action. Perfect for a quick game with friends, and it costs next to nothing. Love basketball? Drop a ball in the comments, or tell us what's your favorite sport. Want to decorate for New Year or a special occasion without spending a fortune on lanterns? Try this genius DIY hack. Grab an empty drink bottle and carefully cut slits from top to bottom, keeping them nice and even. Now, place a red balloon inside, inflate it, tie a ribbon, and hang it up. Boom! Instant festive lantern, zero cost. Would you hang this up for the holidays? Let us know with a yes in the comments. Ever tried blowing up a balloon and nearly passed out? Don't worry, this hack will keep the party going. Grab an empty plastic bottle, cut a small hole in the cap, cover it with a piece of balloon, and tape it down securely. Now, attach a balloon to the bottle's mouth, give it a squeeze, and boom! Effortless balloon inflation. No more huffing and puffing. Just effortless instant party prep. Ever realized you forgot party supplies at the last minute? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. So which hack are you trying first?